6, 7, 8.
When we were in 7th grade, I knew every crush of mine. We'd always talk all night. And now that we're all grown up, you've disappeared for a while. I wish that I knew why. I think it's been about 6 months. Did you forget about our plans to see each other soon? 'Cause I was flying out just to see you in the middle of December. We'll drive your Mercedes down the beaches in Miami, getting drunk at Disney. But some friendships don't stay the same.
We haven't talked that much since June. I'm afraid that I lost you. I hate we grew apart and never said goodbye. Maybe we both just needed space, maybe a different time and place. What if we could just rewind? I think it's been about 6 months.
Did you forget about our plans to see each other soon? 'Cause I was flying out just to see you in the middle of December. We'll drive your Mercedes down the beaches in Miami, getting drunk at Disney. But some friendships don't stay the same.
Mugrang Chef, all about Korean food.